Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So basically I'm going to show you guys how to install PHP in your laptop. So basically using XAMPP. So it's kind of very easy. First you just have to install XAMPP. So some people are kind of find it very hard to install PHP. So what you're going to do first, you go to go to the website, open, finally up, just type XAMPP. And once you type XAMPP, it's going to open, then you download. So you can just download XAMPP. Now depending on the version you want to download, you can just download the latest version, or if you download directly, you download the latest version for you. Once I don't download the latest version, the next thing you're going to get something like this. Now you're going to click on it, right? So once you click on it, it's going to install. So you click on yes. So you're going to follow the procedure. Just click next. Everything you see, it's kind of very easy. Just click next, yeah. So you just have to wait for this thing to completely load up. Once it's done loading up, then you're going to connect the PHP to your environment. So basically just hold on for it to load completely. So basically it has successfully load up. So you're going to click on finish. Once you click on finish, you're done. So you can see what's saying currently. So a particular maybe a different SQL using 3306. So that's by the way. But the next thing we're going to do now, we're going to click on this and click on this, then right click. You click on this. I've done that already on my laptop. I'm just showing you, so you're going to do the same thing. So click on this, click on environment. You come down here, you see part here, right? You can see this part here, right? So you're going to click on new, and you're going to type part here, like parts. Then you're going to paste that directory here. Then you click on okay. I've done that already, so there's no point doing that again. So since I'm done with that, so in order for me to see if my stuff is installed, this cmd. We all know it is installed, but let me just verify. Just click php. That's it. Just the version of the php. So next thing I want to do now, I just started XAMPP. So you get your XAMPP. This is another thing. Keep your XAMPP showing something like this. All you just need to do is for you to just exit. Come down here. Then just press shift. So you bring out this, you go down, you just look for anything related to SQL, right? So I'm looking for my currently I have to maintain. I can't really find anything related to SQL here, but let me just keep going. Well, I can't really find anything related to my SQL here. Let me just end this first. Oh, look at here. So that's what I was looking for. Okay, so end this also, and you exit. You type down. It opens. No longer showing that port. Yeah. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel if this tutorial is helpful to you. Stay tuned.